Back when I'm famous, back when I'm better. Back when I'm better. Back when I'm famous, back when I'm pull up skirt and I'm getting the right and I'm pull up skirt and I'm getting the right and I'm pull up skirt and I'm getting the right and I'm pull up skirt and I'm getting the back and I'm better. Back and I'm back.
Hey guys, so exciting day today. Also, I gotta work on intros. What am I gonna say? Hey guys, it's your girl. We're back. Don't mind the headband. I'm laying my hair down in the front because I wanted to do like a little slick back ponytail. Can't let y'all see that. But I like today's fit. You're in cowgirl. Whatever they do. But I have so much planned, and really honestly, I can't wait for you all to join this. Look, let me show you. I better look at the fit for today. There's no light up in here. Let's see. Where can I go with some light? I could stand right there, but I told y'all, y'all will not be seeing my address. So, before I start to sweat, it is hot. There we go. You like it? It's cute little sheet. I have a lot planned today. I'm gonna get a lot done. Did she take my selfie stick? She took my thing. I don't know if y'all know the size of my mouth. But yes, a lot to do, a lot planned. And y'all are gonna come with us. It's gonna be so exciting. Say hi to my YouTube with all of that attitude. Yeah. Hi, YouTubers. She fake. A little bit. Excuse me. Ain't that it? That's silver? Yes. You was looking for that whole time? But yeah, guys, so come spend the day with us. Jeez. So we have made it to Galveston. Galveston? Oh, it says Galveston. And so, right now, for our first little adventure, we are currently, if you know me, I love the aquarium. I love turtles. Those are my favorites. But we are here and we have made it. I should have got a picture of the sign. Hold on. Doing two things at once, two vlogs at once. I need to get a camera. Smells good. Hello. 2 tickets for the aquarium?
Oh, you'll get the tickets right at this ticket.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. This is so pretty. This is where I brought my mama last. Love that. So y'all, just scanned in. Look at this. This place is so cool. This place is so... You okay? What? Have a good time? Oh, ooh. I like this a lot, yeah. They just magnify the There's another one. Let's go. What? To the elbow.
You should touch it when it comes across here right here.
I don't want to touch that one.
Why you scared to touch this?
Like, what? He is chilling.
But she says they're up here, they're more social.
Leo's over there ready for bed.
That's how you sleep.
Lay down. Some of the benthic rays will cover themselves up.
Oh, it's warm.
They just hang out on the bottom.
This is warm water.
His tail.
Is that what kills Steve? Okay. Let's not do that.
These are debarred.
Hey, look.
That's you don't see the thing on the end. You look at their tails go.
This
It's
look
cut off.
It look long to me.
But they all look like they're gonna split.
I want to touch it. Come back. Oh, so close. Oh, I tried. I'm trying, but you see how far they are? Like, I'm not gonna.
Exit this, you're gonna go back upstairs to exit, and you're gonna want to go to your left. It's gonna be in between the rainforest and the aquarium. So there's right towards the water. Yes. Okay.
I'll check it out. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Oh,
Did you get it?
I did. I touched it.
Touch this big one though.
Why? The little one
Why you
bigger?
mess with the little baby?
Because.
Touch him right there.
All right. Oh, he's too far. Look, and his tail
He
moving.
coming back.
His tail moving.
Because he's like just right there. But
Because he's just right there.
They've been debarred, right?
Right, so they're barbs made out of keratin, like your nails. So as they grow, so we do clip them. They obviously breed friendly, but also even in the wild, they don't want to sting if they don't have to, because then their barbs will break off. It's uncomfortable, but also it can take up to like a year to grow back. So they don't want to be so that's their absolute last resort. But we do clip them just in case they do an accident. Wear it and get stung.
So people they accidentally got. Oh, here's another one.
He want rubs too.
He don't. He.
Want to touch it?
No, can't touch it.
Yeah.
Is he moving stuff?
He is decorating his burrow.
Stop.
Oh wow.
I
So
said
me.
movie stop. I said movie stop.
Yeah, that's what I said. They're
I
hiding.
said movie stop. You see fishes over there?
Oh, look at the
You see
shrimp.
fishes over there? You see fishes over there?
So they burrow themselves?
And they dig burrows that are about a foot deep. And then once they're done digging their burrows, they decorate with lots and lots of seashells.
Oh, when you saw rocket goes over there.
Look, you see the ones over there moving? Look.
Come on, let's go get some butter. I ain't gonna even go up there. She's like, no, yes, you are. You been saying you was going to the aquarium for your birthday. For the longest.
And just
Like, I
where
don't
you
want
went.
to go by myself. I guess you do.
And you went with her.
That. So you did when I did it?
What's in here? Who didn't know this? Ooh, come on. So rainforest. So which one? I'm talking about which one has the sharks? That way? Yep. Discovery.
Frogs and all that, the turtles.
Turtle.
Hello.
Hello.
I know, it's a lot. You better get some beautiful pictures.
It's really Jurassic Park out here. Like, they got everything. They got the high voltage. Knowing there be kids around. You know any of the dinosaur names for real besides?
Look at the bunny.
I know there's one in front of you. We don't need no more pets. Yeah. Let's see if I can really say like this. Y'all think y'all could have survived dinosaurs? Tyrannosaurus. 17 feet tall. I think you did not miss that whole thing. It's with the fire. With the fire. You gotta play the part. I think I could have survived some dinosaurs. If they was like the good dinosaur. Look at him. Oh, he's not bad at all. He's 6 feet. 6 feet, 4 inches. It just say 6 feet. I added the 4 inches for sure. Did you notice his mouth was moving? Y'all, look at this. I did not see him moving this whole time. They said danger. Danger, danger. Stranger danger. Hear me out. Y'all think dog poop be big? Y'all be thinking dog poop is big. Imagine T-Rex. Who cleaning T-Rex poop up? Who was cleaning T-Rex poop? Because what? T-Rex would have had to stay out there. So you ain't get no T-Rex. So you ain't get no animal that you can't take care of. Huh? Yeah. You think you can survive dinosaurs? You think you can survive some dinosaurs? Out of there. Remember, they ain't even say nothing, though. In the last movie. They, ooh. Yeah, I said, ooh. It got serious. Mm-hmm. What? Ooh. I don't like that one. Oh, they got a cute little gift shop. Let me see. Yeah, a little dinosaur claw. I like this shirt. This little crop top is cute. Let me see. Woo! I like that little crop top. That little crop top they got right there. That's what we need to be on the jet skis.
Ask him.
Ask them
Are
what.
we going in the right direction to go see the other location? That way. Go back up this way? What do you want to do? I think it's the rainforest you still haven't seen before they close.
As you see this cover, just keep going left, and then you'll get to there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I couldn't be in the rainforest.
This is what it sounds like in the rainforest.
That's all I know. I couldn't be in there. Did you not hear me? What's in here? Huh? It smells so fresh in here. Oh, they got monkeys in here? I didn't find a monkey.
I want to see a sloth.
I think I saw. What's that? Okay, you do sloth. I do monkey. I mean, you don't see the ones on the log? Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Martin said hi, Shay.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, next part of the vlog. We're going to the beach. Look how pretty it is. I try not to get too many people. Too many people and you know, their kids and all that, and they bathing suits and all that. 'Cause I don't want to be. I don't want to be all a part of that, but it's so pretty, y'all. Like, honestly, this is the next fit for now. And now we're gonna take some beach pictures. Come, mommy. Say hi. So now we're gonna take some beach pictures. You know, it's sunset too. I'm gonna figure something out. But stay tuned. guys. So my phone had died, so I took this towel. It's all in my background, all this stuff. So my phone had died, but boom, we ended up making it home. Today was great. Finished two episodes that I'm gonna be dropping here soon, but overall today was great. I gotta stop saying today was great. We had an amazing day. Got to see a lot of the fishies and some sharks and all this stuff in the dirt. What else? Right now, winding down, about to get in the shower and eat. I'm starving. It is I don't even have my watch, but it's currently like 1 o'clock in the morning. Like I said, we just made it home, but that's because we had stopped at H-E-B to get some food because everything was gonna be closed here. I really wanted some crawfish, so I'm gonna end up getting that tomorrow. But yeah, today was overall really good. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Bye.